registered dietitian with the LSU Ag Center in Lafourche and Terrebonne Parish.
Today I will be air frying a rotisserie style chicken. You only need the chicken and seasoning. This is my personal air fryer. It's a 5.3 quart electric digital air fryer with preset settings. You want to find a chicken that is 3 to 5 pounds depending on the size of your air fryer. Place your chicken in the sink to remove from packaging. Don't wash your chicken to avoid the spread of salmonella. Check out this LSU Ag Center food safety video for more information. Season your chicken with salt-free seasoning. Separate the skin from the chicken by using your fingers or a spatula. Gently massage your preferred seasoning into the chicken on both sides. Place the chicken breast side down into the air fryer. It is important to wash your hands for 20 seconds. You might need to do this several times throughout the process of cooking this chicken. Raw chicken can be a source of salmonella. You're more than welcome to sing Happy Birthday song or any of your favorite jams while you scrub for 20 seconds. This is a lesson you should teach all of your family. Set the air fryer for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. While using tongs, flip the chicken. Run it again for 20 minutes on 350. Your chicken is done when the internal temperature reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To check, stick a meat thermometer into the breast, the thickest part of the chicken. Place a towel underneath your cutting board for stability. If you want to cut the chicken into pieces, it's best to separate each piece at the joint. Locate the sternum of the chicken and cut along it to remove the breast. If the chicken is too hot, use a fork to hold. Repeat on the other side the sternum. Flip the chicken over and dislocate its hip bone to remove the leg quarter. Repeat for the other leg. A sharp knife might be needed to cut through the joint. This process could also be replicated for the wings. Once you remove all the meat, you can boil the carcass to make chicken stock. Pair the chicken with a vegetable salad, fruit, whole wheat tortilla, and melted cheese for a complete My Plate. Removing the skin would lower the amount of saturated fat in this meal. The LSU Ag Center provides nutrition education programs as well as healthy community efforts in both Lafourche and Terrebonne parishes. For more information on these programs or Live Healthy Thibodaux, a Healthy Communities Coalition, contact Becky Gautreaux.